Good afternoon. So you can see we still got a bunch of mess out here, but that's because it is all out here. Everything in here is done. Dressed up this little path for them, even though it wasn't really part of what we had signed on for. We wanted to make it right and make it nice. Lighting's in place out through here though, path lighting. It's our new transformer. It's a nice little pea gravel path. Leads up to their fence and gate. We had to reset that. And it brings you into this. All the lighting is now in place. All the patio, walkway, everything, joints are sanded. Edging's done. And that turned out nice. Over to the stoop, and then around to the kitchen door. Follows the grade of the yard just about perfect. And this detail is exactly what this needed. How about that? Perfect transition out onto the steps. That lead down to the beautiful raised patio. I've already been enjoying it. We are still waiting on some messed up parts for their logs, get their fire going. A couple of the logs were broke and a transmitter is messing up for the remote. It's supposed to be here today. Logs should be in within the next couple of days, but still yet. Really enjoyed this job, and there was their view that they were going for. But to really see this one, you got to wait till night. Beautiful view of the Capitol. Great lights. My phone isn't the greatest, but the ambiance is perfect. Not overpowering. There again, we've got to get some replacement parts on those logs. But this thing absolutely turned out great. Perfect size for the family. Nice comfortable patio. Seating walls all around to catch their overflow traffic for the holidays. We did all we could do to future-proof it and think it through. And we're going to move this light up just a touch because we got one step that's a shade dark. But besides that, every step is lit, walkway's lit, path lighting, everything just came out perfect. Just the right amount of uplight on that magnolia. Well lit transition area here. Well lit paths. A little bit of ambiance back here in the corner with some extra lights. Just making a final adjustment on one out here. And just the perfect amount of lighting out here on this path. And a few little accents. Lighting on that beautiful maple. Carries you right out the nice little peat gravel path to the road. So if we can help you with something like this, check us out, riverscapeswv.com. Stay tuned for the next one.